Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. 3D tour and photos for demonstration purposes only. Home is under construction. Please visit Model Home for assistance. 6200 Kings River, open daily 10 a.m., 6 p.m. Alaska 2 floor plan. Wonderful new plan with large open living areas, 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, pretty cabinets with crown molding, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. A nice large kitchen island breakfast bar for additional sitting and parties. There is also a formal dining area open to living areas and kitchen. Open floor plan with high ceilings. Shutters in front windows and 2 feet blinds throughout. 8-foot entry door, insulated garage doors, and ceiling fans in living area and master bedroom. Fireplace all tile.